Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about this generation here from year 2012 to year 2014. If you have one of those, you need to find where the fuel pump relay is located. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today, where you can buy cheap relays and fuses, that way you do not waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. We'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay in that generation Toyota Camry and every car we get at the garage. Why we do that? Because many of you will need that information sooner or later. Let's say you need a fuel pump guys, fuse, or you need a steering angle sensor. Those will not be labeled correctly. You will have abbreviations that might say something like FI. You may not have an idea that's a fuel pump guys, or fuel injection system. So that's why we're making video for every single fuse, every single relay, to save you time and money. And if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, or if you need to find a fuse, all we have to do, spend a minute or two, watch the video, find out the fuse, instead of guys spending time to find it in the service manual, instead of guys wasting money, okay, and time on parts and tools you don't need. Another thing guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers guys, and we have more than 10,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repairs. Another thing, let us show you something quick. You have guys some special fuses and relays. We're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you don't waste your money. You have those multi-block fuses, we'll put the link for them as well, for different fuses, for different relays, okay? All kinds of fuses and relays. If you need to buy some and not to waste your money, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out. So let's start on it now. So the fuel pump relay guys, where it's located, we'll demonstrate on a 2013 Toyota Camry right here. You guys have two different fuse boxes in that car. We'll be working in one of them, and that's luckily enough it's the one that's easy to access. It's right under the hood. Open the hood on your Toyota Camry, and if you pay attention right here, that's your engine, that's carburetor in, right here is your fuse box. All you have to do, open that cover guys, and the moment you open that cover, you will see a fuse box layout that will look like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So where exactly guys is the fuel pump relay? Okay, you have only 4, maybe 5 relay depending on the model, but none of those is for fuel pump. You have to have a fuel pump relay on modern engines. It's impossible practically to have it. Sometimes it could be integrated in the engine computer, the ECU, but based on our experience and some research guys, we highly believe that this relay is part of that integrated relay right here. This is the electronic computerized relay that's for multiple things, and one of them most likely is the fuel pump guys. If it's on that one, most likely it's your actually is the ECU, the engine computer, but based on our experience most likely it's right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.